Flexibility of renting. Renting offers unmatched flexibility that's perfect for those who value freedom and mobility. Imagine being able to relocate for a dream job, chase new opportunities, or explore exciting cities without the commitment of owning property. With renting, you can move without worrying about selling a house or dealing with market conditions. This makes it ideal for anyone who isn't quite ready to settle down. Financially, renting can provide predictability. Your landlord is responsible for major repairs and maintenance, saving you from unexpected expenses. When the water heater breaks or the roof needs replacing, you won't have to reach into your wallet. Plus, the upfront costs of renting, like a security deposit, are usually far lower than buying a home, which means you can redirect those savings toward other goals like travel, education, or starting a business. On the other hand, renting does have its downsides. Over time, you might feel like you're throwing money away since your monthly payments build no equity. Unlike owning, where you're investing in an asset that can appreciate in value, renting doesn't offer the same financial rewards. Plus, there's always the possibility that your landlord could raise the rent or decide not to renew your lease, adding an element of uncertainty to your living situation. Even so, renting can be a smart choice, especially if you value flexibility and aren't ready for the long-term financial commitment of homeownership. It allows you to adapt to life's changes without being tied down, offering a lifestyle that prioritizes freedom over roots.